Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel Basic Tech Tutorials. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to create a Word document and convert it into PDF on your Android device, and it is the same. Even though I'm showing you on an Android device, it will still be the same for the iPhone. So let's get started. So what we want to do is we want to go to Play Store, and then we want to type in the top search bar here Word. So we obviously want to download the app from Microsoft Word. So we'll click into this one with this icon here. Obviously I've already got it installed, but what you'll need to do is it'll show up here, install, and then just follow the prompts to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go straight into it and show you how it's done. So sometimes on Android phones, we always use our phone, so it's hard to kind of get to a computer when you want to send a PDF or print a PDF or whatever it may be. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go up to the top here and press this document button with the plus on it. Just want to hit that. Now you can obviously go to the document that you have created personally, but I'm just going to go to any one of these templates here, so I'm just going to click on this random one. So what you want to do is when you complete your document and you've got everything put in there and you're ready to export it or save it as a PDF or whatever you want to do, there is two ways to do this. So what you want to do is you want to go to the three buttons here in the top right hand corner. You want to click on that and press share as PDF. Now on the desktop, which I'll put a link in the description for the video where I'm going to show you how to do this on a Word document and save it as a PDF so you can do what you like with it on a desktop. So the phone is obviously a lot different. So what you want to do is you want to press share as PDF. Now the sharing, it'll obviously give you quite a few options. So because I only have a few apps on here, you can either email it, you can or save it to Google Drive if you have one. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to press it as Gmail because I want to forward it through. So let's do that. So what I want to do is I want to send it from my email address here, and I'm just going to send it to anyone. I'll just do this, gmail.com. So basically what you'll see here is the document saved as a PDF. So I'm just going to put here just testing and send it off. So that what that will do is on the phone you obviously won't be able to save it right now as a PDF, but you can save it to your device anywhere on the storage as a docx, and then again you can email it to yourself. Go to the link in the description if you want to see it on the desktop. So if you wanted to then create it on your phone, email it to yourself for later, save it, whatever you want to do, and then you can print it and go on your merry way. If you like this video, make sure to comment, give me a thumbs up, press on the bell, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.